So what hood do you need when you're buying a new hood for your kitchen? Let's not talk about brand, let's not talk about anything specific, but how do you calculate which hood you're going to need? There's a basic calculation. If you take the width of your cooking area and the depth, so I would say from here to the edge of my island, I'm going to say this is 5 metres by 4 metres. That makes 20 metres. In a normal home, 2.5 metres for the ceiling height. That gives me a figure of 50. If I multiply that 50 by 10, I get 500. And that is the extraction rate you need to achieve on a setting other than intensive. You don't want to be running your hood flat out all the time. It will be noisy. But if you can get 500 cubic metre extraction on number 2 or 3, you'll find it will be very quiet, very, very efficient, and it's a simple calculation that can be applied to any kitchen.